Good morning, children. So once again we are meeting in chapter number 26, chapter 9. What is the title of the chapter? Freedom Movement of 1857. Now see, children, go back in revision of lecture number 25. So in lecture number 25, I told you the first war of independence was fought in the year 1857, right? That war was a failure, right? That war did not succeed. जो रिवोल्ट 1857 में हुआ उससे हमको आजादी नहीं मिली, बट इट मेड द वे फॉर सक्सेस. उधर से आजादी का एक रास्ता बना. People of India thought that this is the way from where we can turn to independence. भले वो मूवमेंट फेल हुआ, but it made the way for success. Okay, now we are talking about lecture number 25. In lecture number 25, I have gone through different reasons for the revolt of 1857. In short span of time, I will explain you all the reasons. In brief, reason number 1, social and religious dissatisfaction. Because at that time, India was an orthodox society. Literacy rate was almost zero. And India was divided into barriers of caste, creed, caste, religion, and what not. So there was orthodoxy prevailing at that time. So the orthodox minded people did not accept the changes which took place in society of that time from the part of British wholeheartedly. If you remember, I have said in last lecture that if there are 100 changes, 95 are negative, 5 तो पॉजिटिव है ना, वो तो एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा ना, वो भी नहीं एक्सेप्ट होता था. So this orthodoxy was also a reason. Second thing, not written in book, but you will come across one word called policerization. Policerization means forcible conversion of local people to Christianity. Forcible conversion of non-Christians to Christian, जिसको हम हिंदी में धर्मांतर बोलते हैं. राइट, दे वर ट्रैप्ड पुअर पीपल. अच्छा, उसमें हमारा भी फॉल्ट है क्योंकि उस समय अनटचेबिलिटी, ये सब, वो क्लास सिस्टम बहुत रिजिड थी. और जो बॉटम क्लास के लोग थे, दे वर डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. राइट, अपर क्लास पीपल enjoyed a huge privilege. Bottom class did not got anything. And hence, these missionaries, these people, in order to spread their religious activity, in order to spread their religion, they targeted these people. उसको नौकरी का लालच दिया, पैसे का लालच दिया, प्रोटेक्शन का लालच दिया. अच्छा, इसके बदले में आपको क्या करना है? सिर्फ अपना धर्म बदलना है बस, और वो हो गया. बराबर. इसी वजह से समाज में एक दहशत का माहौल बन गया कि आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हमारा जो हिंदू कल्चर है वो खत्म होके क्रिश्चियनिटी की तरफ हम चले जाएंगे. That was also a reason. Second reason was economic reason. Economic reason, you know, since Battle of Buxar, that was 1764. Today we are talking about 1857, almost a span of 100 years. In span of 100 years, they have not left a single stone unturned. Where they cannot loot India. है समझ में? Where they cannot loot India. By hook or crook. In span of 100 years, whole India came under the influence of British rule. पूरा हिंदुस्तान लगभग गुलाम हो चुका था और जितना हो सके उतनी लुटपाट उन लोगों ने की, कंगाल हो गए. Right? Before coming of British to India, there was no word called poverty, unemployment in India. And now poverty and unemployment came in India. और उस वक्त जब आए थे तब से अभी थी ये हालत हमारी है. अभी भी बच्चे लोग आप अब अगले स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ोगे व्हाट इज मीन बाय अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, व्हाट इज मीन बाय पॉवर्टी, व्हाट आर द रीजंस ऑफ पॉवर्टी, ऑल दिस थिंग्स. इट वाज गिफ्टेड बाय ब्रिटिश. इकोनॉमिक रीजंस. देन विल कम टू पॉलिटिकल रीजंस. पॉलिटिकल रीजंस तो मेरे को समझाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, बिकॉज पूरे 100 साल में, तकरीबन 100 साल में पूरा हिंदुस्तान गुलाम हो चुका था. राइट? इंडिया हैज लॉस्ट इट्स इंडिविजुअल आइडेंटिटी. जो एक समय के बड़े बड़े राजा महाराजा थे, घर में बैठे थे, सब कुछ चला गया था. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस नाउ दे वर ईगर टू रिगेन देयर पावर. They were eager to regain their lost territory. This also provoked them to join the revolt. Then it was military reasons, which was the last topic which I taught you in detail. Maximum soldiers belong to India. क्योंकि युद्ध में सबसे ज्यादा सिपाही मरते हैं. That sepoys who were of origin Indian were sent for warfield. They were paid hardly 7 rupees as a salary. On the contrary, British sepoy or officers, they were paid 20 times the salary paid to Indian people. Suppose Indian sepoy का salary 7 rupees है, तो British sepoy का salary तकरीबन 140 rupees तक. Huge disparity, huge disparity. Indian sepoys, what amount of bravery they will show, how much valor they will show, they will never rise from their rank of sepoy. हाँ, छुटक पुटक घटना में बनती होगी कि भाई सिपाही से आगे जाके उसको प्रमोशन मिला, बाकी we were not promoted. While on other end, British sepoys were promoted up to very high ranks. Second thing, as I told you, it was a time of orthodox society, religious dominated society. तो उस वक्त क्या था कि हर एक जाति धर्म में कोई दरिया पार जाना मना था, शास्त्रों के हिसाब से, धर्म के हिसाब से. ब्रिटिश लोग को यह बात मालूम थी, और जहां जहां उन लोग ने अपनी कॉलोनीज बनाई थी वहां इंडियन सिपाहीज को लड़ने के लिए भेजते थे. जबरदस्ती जाना पड़ता था, नौकरी है करनी पड़ती है. अगर एक बार वो उधर गए तो वापस उसको समाज में एंट्री नहीं मिलती थी. They were outcasted from the society because it was strictly banned to cross water, means sea. आप दरिया पार किसी दूसरे देश में आप नहीं जा सकते हो. अगर गए तो समाज आपको नहीं रखेगा. British, knowing this, still they insisted Indian soldiers to travel across their own other colonies and fight for them. If they fought over there, they lost their lives for fighting for cause of British. If they came back alive, society will not accept them. उससे तो अच्छा है कि मौत आ जाए, उसको शहादत मिले, क्योंकि ये तो जिंदा रह के मरने की बात, मर के जीने की बात हुई. So the circumstances, This was the reasons, and many more other reasons maybe, which provoked different class of people, whether he was peasant or agriculturist or jamindar or king or noble or common people, even to join the first struggle of independence. That is the first movement of independent India, that is 1857. So this was the basic background which I told you. Now we'll switch over to our today's topic. Okay, children. What is my topic today? Immediate cause of revolt. Of revolt of 1857. Immediate cause of revolt of 1857. There was various reasons for raising anger and discontentment among the people towards British rule. Thousands of reasons, right? There were various reasons for discontentment. Answer. There were various reasons against British for dissatisfaction. Barabar? There are thousands of reasons for dissatisfaction, but the main reason was, right? The main reason was, but the main reason was an introduction of Enfield rifle, right? Enfield rifle. So this one, the main reason was introduction of Enfield rifle, right? The main reason was introduction of Enfield rifle, because the cartridge of this rifle had to be beaten before it was used. The cartridge, right? The cartridge of this rifle was to be beaten before यूज, मतलब उसको मुंह से छिलना पड़ता था, आपको मालूम है वो परे, बराबर. The cartridge was greased. This cartridge was graced, मतलब उसका कवर बना था, graced with the fat of yes, cow and pig, with the fat of cow and pig, fat of cow and pig, and pig. Right? This cartilage was graced with the fat of pig. Hindus, right? The Hindus consider cow as a holy animal. Right? Hindus consider cow as a holy animal. Right? While Muslims do not eat the beef of pig. Right? They do not eat the meat of pig. Right? धर्म के हिसाब से उसको बैन है. Right? Hence, they felt the British are deliberately trying to dissatisfy their religious sentiment. Hence, they thought that British are intentionally trying to hurt their religious sentiments. Intentionally trying to hurt their religious sentiments. Hence, so the 19th Battalion right? So the 19th Battalion of Barakpur was the first to refuse the use of rifle. Use of this rifle. Right? So, this is the prime answer to your question. Immediate cause of revolt of 57. Right? Immediate cause of revolt of 1857. This is the whole answer where British intentionally wanted to hurt her religious sentiments. And the last point which I have written here, 19th Battalion of Barakpur was the first to refuse the use of this rifle, and hence the revolt spread out. So now our new topic, planning revolt by Mangal Pandey, right? Now let us see planning of the revolt. Planning of revolt. Planning of revolt and Mangal Pandey. And Mangal Pandey, right? So let us see. It was planned to begin the revolt across the nation on for 31st May, right? It was planned to begin the revolt nationwide on 31st May. On 31st May, right? 1857. Leaders like, right? Leaders like Nana Sahib Peshwa, right? Like Nana Sahib Peshwa, Nana Sahib Peshwa, right? Nana Sahib Peshwa, Bahadur Shah Zafar, B-A-H-E, Bahadur Shah Zafar, etc. Kunwar Singh and Nawab Awad joined the hands with Tatya Tope, right? To join the revolt. Join the hands with Tatya Tope, right? Etc. Joined the hands with Tatya Tope. He was the leader of a revolt. Tatya Tope, बराबर, an military commander and brave commander. So which date was fixed? 31st May. But unfortunately, tables turn wrong. Right? Rangaji Bapuji was accomplished planner. Azimullah Khan, a lawyer and a journalist, also led the revolt. Right? These symbols, they also circulated. They circulated symbols. They circulated symbols as a message of revolt to other parts, to other parts, right? To other parts. Aulias, even Hindu bards, Hindus and Muslim priests, Aulia and the messenger played important role. Each and every section of people played an important role in spreading of our messages. Spreading of messages. Right? Means each and everyone worked eagerly to free themselves from the clutches of British. Hindu bards, right? Bards. Hindu and Muslim priest. Hindu and Muslim priest. Aulias also played an important role. Barabar? Important role. So, this was the background of the revolt. Now, we will study about Mangal Pandey. Right? This was the background of revolt of 1857. फर्स्ट वॉरियर, राइट? मंगल पांडे अभी भी आज हिस्ट्री में अमर है, बराबर है? ही वॉज द फर्स्ट मार्टर ऑफ द रिवॉल्ट ऑफ 1857, राइट? जब तक हमारी तब तक यू विल रिमेंबर मंगल पांडे, राइट? मंगल पांडे, राइट? short note. Mangal Pandey was the first sepoy to use the cartridge grease with fat and cows, right? He was the first sepoy to refuse the use of the cartridge. Which was filled with meat of pig and cow. Barabar? As a result, the revolt began earlier than the fixed date. As a result, the revolt started earlier than the fixed date. That was 20 May, right? पहले क्या रखी हुआ था? 31 मई को हम रिवोल्ट करेंगे पूरा हिंदुस्तान, लेकिन मंगल पांडे ने थोड़ी जल्दी की and revolt broke out on 20. This gave British the chance of caution. वो चौकन्ने हो गए और उसके पास उसके हिसाब से सब संसाधन तो थे ही, रेलवे लाइन ऐसे कुछ, so they started to take the early action, right? वरना हमारा ये पहला रिवोल्ट फेल नहीं शायद होता. बराबर? This incident disrupted, right? This incident disrupted the total plan of the revolt. This incident disrupted the total plan of the revolt. Right? Now we will study about Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey was born in a Brahmin family. Was born in a Brahmin family. Barabar? In UP. He joined British Army. He joined British Army as a soldier. At rupees 7. At rupees 7 as his salary. Right? The Indian soldier who agreed to revolt wanted to wait till 31st May. The Indian soldiers who agreed to revolt, right? Agreed to revolt, wanted to wait till 31st May, right? They wanted to wait for up to 31st May, whereas 26 years old 26 years old Mangal Pandey 26 years old Mangal Pandey could not wait till then. Could not wait till then. Could not wait till then. अभी भी आंसर बाकी है. Could not wait till then. फिर तो आप सबको मालूम है क्या हुआ था, बराबर है, सबको मालूम है. कई इस पे मूवी भी बनाई गई है, आप लोगों ने पढ़ा है मेरे स्टैंडर्ड्स में, सबको मालूम है, राइट. He refused to follow the orders. He refused. He refused to follow the orders for use of Enfield rifle, right? Use of Enfield rifle, right? And challenged the British officer sergeant Major Hawson. He challenged and British officer Major Hewson for it. उसको ऑर्डर दिया गया था कि आपको करना पड़ेगा, उसने बोला नहीं करेंगे, and there was a clash. He shot down the officer. दोनों के बीच में तीखी बहस हुई, मंगल पांडे ने उसको उड़ा दिया, बराबर है. He defeated another officer too. The Indian soldier refused to arrest Mangal Pandey. The Indian soldiers refused to arrest Mangal Pandey. राइट. फिर आर्मी ने ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर ऑर्डर तो दिया होगा ना, मंगल पांडे को आप अरेस्ट कर लो, लेकिन किसी ने अरेस्ट नहीं किया, राइट. The Indian soldiers refused to arrest Mangal Pandey. Being a Brahmin, when he was consent to British power, he shot himself with his own rifle. But Pandey shot himself with his own rifle before arrest. उसने समझा कि भाई पकड़ाने से अच्छा है हम खुद अपना बलिदान दे दे. But unfortunately he was saved. उसकी ट्रीटमेंट चली, right? He shot himself. A bleeding Mangal Pandey was taken to hospital because the British wanted to get information about the plan and revolt, right? He was taken to hospital for getting the information and so on, right? उसके पास से information निकालनी थी. The military court pretended to run a case against him on 6th April. The military court, वो जब recover हो गए तब, the military court pretended to run a case against him, बराबर, him on 6th April 1857 on 6th April 57 बराबर है. He was hanged to death on, उसको सजा हुई नाटक मेरा केस का, on 8th April 1857 at 5:30 a.m. at 30 a.m. Hence, we can say Mangal Pandey was the first martyr of revolt of 1857. Okay, children? Now, this was the story of revolt of Mangal Pandey. Now, we'll take our homework. Come on. Homework, question number 1. What was the immediate cause? What was the immediate cause of the revolt of 1857? What was the immediate cause of the revolt of 1857? Question number 2. Write short note on Mangal Pandey. Write a short note on Mangal Pandey. So, this is what the story says in lecture number 26. Right? This is a story. How reasons came into existence, and behind the reasons, the revolt was started. So, this is how it proceeds. Okay, children? So, with this, we are coming to the end of lecture number 26. We will meet in lecture number 27. Till then, goodbye, children. Take care. Enjoy yourself in your studies.